You are welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will be showing you how to design a mockup using your smartphone. I will be using two apps in this video. The first app is Pixellab for designing, which is available in Play Store, and the second app is PhotoG. The PhotoG app is not available in the Play Store, but I have dropped the link to download the app in the description menu. Take a minute, subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, comment, share, and don't forget to turn on the notification button so that you can be notified when I release another video.
So this is Pixellab user interface. Pixellab is used for design, so I will choose from one of my already made design to use it as mockup. So I will be using this design. I will save it as image, change it to pink, and the dimension, I will change the dimension to ultra for better resolution. So I will save it to my gallery. I will also save it again, but I will remove the background by clicking on this transparent, then save it as peng, also in ultra dimension. If you are new to Pixellab or you don't know how to design with Pixellab, I have dropped some video link in the description menu that will teach you how to design with Pixellab. Now let me check my gallery to view the design I have saved. These are the design. This is the one I removed the background, and this is the other one I maintain the background. So I will open PhotoG. PhotoG use data, so your data must be on to use PhotoG. PhotoG is an Arabic app, so you have to change it to English when you open it. This is PhotoG user interface. Click on the new project button. It will show you where you can import your image. At the below button, click on sticker. After that, click on from gallery with crop. It will show you your gallery, your image you have in your gallery. So I will open Pixellab, then import the image. I have removed the background. When the image is loaded, I will click on the mark icon at the top. It has imported the image. Now I will click on the size. I will increase the size a little bit. I am done with the size. I will click on the three dots at the top. It will bring some option. I will select convert to 3D mockup. Then I will accept. Wait a little bit to process the mockup. Ensure your data is on because PhotoG use data. These are the mockup I can choose. There are different type of mockup. So I will choose a particular mockup by clicking on the blue icon, the blue tab. I will click on the blue tab to choose any of the mockup I like. I will choose this mockup by clicking on the blue button. After that, it will upload my design. When my design is successful upload, I will click on this Arabic word, then wait for my design to preview. After preview, I will also click on this Arabic word to download the design to my gallery. My design has now successful downloaded to my gallery. I also want to convert the design with background. I want to convert it to mockup.
So I will follow the same step I used for this one by clicking on the new project, tap the sticker button at the top, then select from gallery with crop. It will load my design and I will import the design with the background. Click on the mark icon, then I will adjust the size. Yes, I will increase the size a little bit. When I'm done with the design, I will click on the three dots at the top, select convert to 3D mockup, accept, and it will load the mockup for me. Design with background cannot work perfectly on every mockup, but it has some specific mockup that can work with design with background, like this one. So I will click on the blue tab to select it, then my design will upload. When it uploads successful, I will click on this Arabic word, then it will preview it. After previewing it, I will also click on this Arabic word to download it to my gallery. If you are not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe, like it, leave comments, share, and turn off the notification button so that you can be notified when I release another video. All the mockup has now downloaded to my gallery, so let me check my gallery to preview those mockup. So these are the mockup. This is the one with the background and this is the other one without background. So that's how you can make a mockup using your smartphone with Pixellab and PhotoG. If you are new to Pixellab, I have dropped some video link at the description. Check it out and it will explain to you how you can design with Pixellab. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like it, share, and leave comment for me. Also, there are other videos you can watch from my channel.